Can you be a medic?
Whoa, those are close.
Yeah. All right.
Keith and Kyle are on the other side of this building.
Not only that, but even if we did go that way,
Let's go that way.
completely exposed.
Yeah, let's go that way.
All right. Well, give me a second.
Whoa. Oh, what the fuck? Everyone's just standing around in a circle and then one shooting.
They're all dead.
Did you kill the one guy?
They all have their hands up. I
What?
just say you're alive.
I didn't get hit.
Oh. Oh, there's a guy in the bush. That's... Push.
Is he still there in the bush?
Oh man, my feet are soaked now.
Oh no.
Down, John.
I never felt anything, but he would have fucked me up.
That's what I said. Huh? I didn't feel anything, but you two were just gonna shoot us, so I just
Any y'all need buddy?